Good morning, the students of class 6. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I congratulate all of you. Dear students, today you are going to study the topic of tense. In earlier video, I also taught you about tense, but again, I am going to teach you present tense. Present tense, that means any work is being done in present time is called present tense. Such as, I am teaching you. I go to school daily. I have completed my work. The teacher has been teaching since morning. All such examples are related to present tense. Dear students, as you know that there are four kinds of present tense. First, simple present or present indefinite tense. Second, present continuous or present imperfect tense. And another name of this tense also present progressive tense. Both are same. Present progressive, present imperfect and present continuous. Same things. After that, third part, present perfect tense, and fourth part, present perfect continuous tense. Dear students, this time I am going to describe before you simple present. Any habitual work, any habit that denotes an simple present tense, such as I go to office daily. The earth moves around the sun. The sun gives us light. Such type of examples are simple present tense. Making rule, that means the structure of this tense. At first subject, after that V1 or V5 plus subject. Such as Ram writes a letter. Here Ram is third person singular number. So writes a letter because writes is V5. That means S or ES added in the end of main verb. And other subject such as I do this work, they take tea daily, the teacher teaches me. Here also the teacher is in third person singular subject, so V5 is used here. If the sentence given in negative, then S plus do not or does not plus V1 plus subject. Such as, I do not take tea. The teacher does not speak Hindi. Negative sentence denotes, but take care of V1 will be used if do and does used in the sentence, and does not is used only in singular number of third person subject. Interrogative, if interrogative sentence starts with kya, in this condition you have to write at first do and does, after that subject plus V1 plus subject. Such as question, does Ram read? Do you go to school? Does the teacher teach carefully? Such type of sentences always V1 is used. Dear students, after that I want to tell you WH words. If in this sentence also given WH words, what, why, how, when, where, then you should take care WH words will be written at first. After that, do does plus is plus V1 plus O, such as where does your father teach English? Where do you live in? What do you do in the morning? All these sentences starts with WH words. So I expect that simple present will be clear in your mind. Next point, that means next kind, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, that means any continuing verb. Any continuing verb is known as present continuous tense. That means work is continued, not lasted. That is known as present continuous or present progressive, present imperfect. Such as, I am teaching all of you. You are reading a book. If I tell you, I am teaching all of you, that means my teaching program is continue, not lasted. It is continue. So we can say that this sentence is related to present continuous tense. In negative sentence, if you want to write, then S plus helping verb am is are plus V4, that means V plus ing plus subject. Such as, I am going to Patna. You are writing a letter. The teacher is teaching all of us. Our honorable director sir is addressing the assembly. There are such likes of examples related to present continuous tense. This is the positive rule of present continuous tense. But if you want to convert in negative sense, then S plus am is are plus not plus V4 plus ing plus subject. V4, that means verb plus ing. Such as, I am not teaching you. You are not writing a story. The teacher is not telling a story. I am not singing a song. That means these are the sentences of present continuous tense. But if you want to convert an interrogative sentence of present continuous, then you have to take care. At first, you have to write helping verb am is are plus subject plus V4 plus object. That means in Hindi sentence starts with क्या. क्या आप पढ़ रहे हैं? Are you reading? Are you going to school? Am I not doing this work? Is the teacher not teaching all of us? Such types of examples are interrogative of present continuous tense. But if you want to write WH words and the sentence also, then you can write, but WH word will be written at first. After that am is are plus subject plus V4 plus object. Such as, where are you going? Here WH words where and helping verb is used here are according to subject, because subject is here you. So according to subject, helping verb is used here are. Where is Ram teaching? What are you doing here? Such type of examples are related to interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Dear students, if you have any problem, you can ask on my personal WhatsApp and or my personal phone. Thanks.